Wind really getting going out there right now, and we are just at the beginning of this wind event here in the Albuquerque metro area. Live look tells the story. Our camera is shaking. That's the west side cam looking toward downtown Albuquerque. Lots of haze out there. Areas of blowing dust are likely as we head through tonight. If you don't have to be out and about walking around, driving around, probably a good idea just to stay inside. Watch for that chance of strong severe storms, but right now that is beginning to diminish. We'll hope that we don't see any severe storms out there. Big chill down on the way. Tracking the winds, Future Track 7. Watch what happens as we go into 7 o'clock this evening. Those wind speeds sustained 30+ miles per hour. Albuquerque into Gallup and Santa Fe up toward Raton. Down to the south, not quite as strong. And then by 9-10 o'clock tonight, we'll see those winds getting even stronger here in Albuquerque as the storm system passes to the north, probably peaking 10 to maybe midnight with those gusts that could be 60 to 70 miles per hour here in the Albuquerque metro area, and then calming down as we go into tonight, late tonight toward the morning hours. But overall, we are looking at that chance of showers and thunderstorms across southern parts of the state. If they do get going tonight, some of them could have hail and very high winds. By tomorrow morning, we have a chance of some showers here in the Albuquerque metro area as well. Future Track 7 to the 7-day forecast. We'll show you what it looks like for tomorrow. 61 degrees for a high temperature in Albuquerque for tomorrow, so much cooler with that chance of showers around, quieter for your weekend. Guys.